Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. We are off to a fabulous start already. Number one, it is 48 degrees outside at 7:42 in the morning, so much more comfortable than last week. And let me show you what I just scored at the dollar store. I am not kidding. All of these love signs. I will never have to buy Valentine's decorations again, my friends. All of those. Well. It's a little busted, but we'll give her a try. Why not? Looks like there's a few other things in this bag that we might want to grab. And a bunch of Valentine's cards in that bag that we are definitely going to grab. Things are going really good this morning, you guys. So far, yeah, I mean, geez. Okay, that's just two Dollar Tree stores. Okay, so I've been meaning to talk to you guys about, sorry, anywhere I go, I'm always looking at any bins that we happen to drive by, scoping it out, seeing what's going on. But anyway, holiday cards, any kind of greeting cards, you want to hit up your Dollar Tree store right after that holiday. You will never have to buy greeting cards ever again. And I've got three full garbage bags of Valentine's greeting cards back there. I'm thinking next year for the kids for school, they might be giving out full-size greeting cards. Oh my goodness, it's awesome. It's fantastic. I'm so glad I got myself out of bed this morning. I did not want to, but I did it. And here we are out here making it happen, finding all kinds of fabulous stuff. And then I had an awesome little adrenaline rush, kind of a silly one, but as I was getting the last of the stuff at this last Dollar Tree, the security guard came driving by and was watching me from a distance, just like parked, whether to like intimidate me or to just see what I was up to or what, I don't know, I don't care. But anyway, it was kind of funny. It was funny. I was done at that point, so I left. The thing is about the like security guards, there's really nothing they themselves can do to you. They can call the cops if they feel like calling the cops, but I don't know if they can even like detain you. I don't think so. If I'm wrong on that, please let me know in the comments, but I don't know. So it's a fun little adrenaline rush and a fun little laugh, but the one bad thing that can come from it is, you know, they'll be like talking to the dollar store people and be like, hey, you've got people in your bins, better lock your bins. That would be the one bad thing that I think they would have the power to make happen. Anyway, I gotta get some gas. Gonna use some of my rewards, my Kroger rewards. So let's do this and then let's head north. I think we'll try to get that flashlight right there. So obviously not every dollar store is gonna have mountains of Valentine's stuff for you, but it's worth looking, definitely. Beautiful. Simple. Simple beauty. Well, didn't seem like there was anything worth digging for in the Ulta bin. I know some of you have said I need to look under, like, and kind of dig around under, but it was kind of gross, honestly. And there was like lots of foundation and stuff spread all over everything. I didn't feel like getting gross. So, that's alright. Onward. So this is Zurcher's. Let's see. Those ribbons might be something. Well, it looks like that's just left over from balloons. Well, that sucks. That's pretty disappointing. Well, are those just packages, I wonder? Empty packages? I'm gonna have to check. I'll have to grab those and check. Just to be sure. I think this is just cardboard. Yeah. So we'll check that other bag just to make sure. So those were just empty bags from like Mylar balloons. So that's a bummer, but we're nowhere close to giving up yet or being done yet. We still have several more things to check in this area, and then we will be heading up to Salt Lake to check some stuff up there, some of the places I checked last time, and also to go hiking with my brother. Today is my late father's birthday, and what better thing to do than to go spend time with some family and get out in nature. In the Office Depot bin, I got a laundry basket. This side of the handle is broken, but that doesn't bother me. You know how I am. And then a metal waste basket. And it has this invisible shield for the Apple iPhone 7. It's inside there, so. And some more sticky notes. I have so many. I have mountains of sticky notes because I dive at public schools in the summer, and so yeah, I have tons of those. Anyway, there you go. Just a couple of things before we... This is a Dollar Tree I've never been to before. Oh, sadness. These are all frozen items, perishables. Oh, Snickers bars, they're all melted. Oh, sadness. Potatoes, oh my goodness. Tons of food, you guys. Tons of food. Raspberry sorbet. Oh my God, look at this. Tons of frozen food. So, I love calling people out. So this is Office Depot, and why they did these? I mean, these are from 2017. Why? Like, I don't get it. What was the point? You know, they're whatever. So they take the time to slash everything so that it's ruined. Like, if it had just been that, you know, would still be usable. But no. No, they have to completely destroy it because we can't have it like go and be used and salvaged and stuff. No, this is America, you guys. This is your great America. Congratulations. So, good job, Office Depot. you made sure no one was doing anything with your garbage but getting it to the landfill. Good job. All right, another Zurchers. Let's see if we have any better luck this time. There's some pretty garland. Yeah, I'll grab that. Looks like we might have some stuff in here. I'll have to open that up and look. Looks like some goodies in here for sure. And maybe some goodies in here. All right, I'm gonna pull these out and we'll see what we've got. So, Zurchers was awesome. Got a lot of good stuff from there, including a huge bag of gumballs. The kids are going to be thrilled about that. I cannot wait to show you all the awesome stuff that we got in there, but we gotta keep going. And then when we're done, we will be digging into this stuff. All right, so I am done with my dumpster diving for the morning, and now I am up in Salt Lake and had to park out on the road, and now I am hopping over to visit my brother, and we will see what adventures await.
Please be sure to check the video description for links to our social media accounts. There you will get exclusive access to pictures and videos of different things that we have going on a daily basis, and you will find out how you can contribute and help support the mission of saving and salvaging. Have a great day, guys.